See if there's anything inside. I'm guessing it's going to be like that console. Yeah, there's almost nothing in here. Some cables, and that's about it. Some low-grade board. Nothing to write home about, that's for sure. Let's open it up for good, see exactly what's inside. There you go, low grade board, some cables. So I'll lose that. That's that, and I think there's another one of these guys, which I'm going to undo a little later since we've already done this. Starting to accumulate quite a bit of wire. So we got this Nintendo Wii power supply. It's all cut up and broken, so not really worth anything. Cut the wires. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Since I have it here, you need the special Nintendo bit, which you can get.